Want a fast VPN with DPI bypass without heavy, classic VPN solutions? In this video, we'll set up a VPN server based on Hysteria 2 with the HUI graphical interface. We'll show the entire process end to end, from ordering a server in the HOSTKEY control panel to connecting a Windows client, so you finish with a working setup. The first step is ordering a server. You can do this on HOSTKEY.com or directly in the control panel at invapi.hostkey.com. If you don't have an account yet, register on HOSTKEY.com and then log in to invapi.hostkey.com. After signing in, open the new Instant Servers tab and choose a region. Important: Hysteria is sensitive to location, so it's best to pick a region based on ping. Next, go to the Virtual Servers tab. The minimum configuration is enough for Hysteria. Then open the Security section and select Hysteria. Go to the Automation tab and set a server name and a password that's convenient for you. This password will also be sent to your email after the server is successfully deployed. Choose your billing period, click Order, and wait for the installation to complete. When the server is ready, open the server card and, in the General Information tab, copy the link to the web panel. Open the link. At first, the interface may be in Chinese. In the top field, enter the username, user-admin. In the bottom field, enter the password you set when ordering the server and received in the deployment email. Press Enter. To change the language, open the drop-down in the top right corner and select English. Next, open the Hysteria Manage tab to configure the VPN. You'll see that Hysteria is currently in the stop status. In the Extension tab, enter any name in the remark field. In the Listen tab, keep the default values, and then go to the TLS tab. In the TLS type field, select TLS and specify the certificate paths in the cert and key fields. Essentially, you need to copy the commands shown on the screen and replace the server ID with your own server ID from Invapi. Then click Add Config Item, choose ACL, then ACL line, and in the line that appears Enter, reject UDP 4403. After that, save the settings, activate the configuration, and go to the Account Management tab. Create a user, click Add, and fill in the username, password, and limits if needed. After the user is created, scroll to the right until you see Node URL and Node QR code. For Windows, we'll use Node URL. Copy the link. For connecting Hysteria 2 on Windows, the recommended client is Hiddify. Download it from the official website or GitHub. After installation, check the settings, open config options, and make sure two toggles are disabled. Enable DNS routing and strict root. Go back to the main screen, click New Profile, and select Add from Clipboard. The profile will be added. Click Connect. You'll see the connection is established, and the connection IP field shows your server's IP. That means everything is working, and you can start using the VPN. As you've seen, deploying Hysteria 2 with a convenient management panel is fast, but where you run it matters. With HOSTKEY, you get a ready-to-use app from the control panel, no manual installation, location choice based on ping and your project needs, stable networking and DDoS protection, transparent terms and predictable pricing, 24/7 support that actually helps instead of sending canned replies. HOSTKEY, your infrastructure, your rules. The link is in the description.